Okay guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Lego VR, and we are going to be playing Squid games, and the winner will just get something out of my stash or something. Wait, no, I kind of forgot. The winner will get 10,000 nuts in Animal Company. Alright, first game. Or green light, red light. I'm sorry, buddy.
No plus one eliminated, that's pretty cool.
That's sad. Alright, guys. Green light, red light. Green light, red light. Green light, red light.
Here. Did it. Win.
Green light, red light.
Yay! We made it.
Alright,
That's it.
congratulations, guys. Alright, Alright, guys, we're gonna move on. You fight, and if you get any cheating, alright, 3,
Eliminated.
2, 1,
I'm
go.
ready.
Go. Oh wait, I forgot to say the rules. No, 1 rule, no cheating. 2 rules, no going in the safe zone. Sorry, I forgot to say the rule. Even if it's on accident, you're dead. Oh, I did not try and shoot that. Oh boy. Oh, I'm so sorry, wait. I'm sorry it has to end like this. Yo, don't leave yet. Don't leave yet.
Kind of boring.
You're still gonna get some stuff. You're still gonna get a reward. You're still gonna get a reward for being second. The reward is being kicked. Wait, did that say kicked failed? Oh. Whoa. Red, you have won Squid games. Your prize is a bag full of sticks. Nah, I'm joking. Your prize?
Oi!
Is this? How did you join?
That?
Nah, this is his prize.
Oh.
That's your prize. Your prize.
Yeah.
Is this?
What is that?
Pretty sure it's an egg rocket launcher. I don't know.
An egg?
That's your prize.
What is it? What is it? Where's the ammo?
I just said eggs.
How do you get eggs?
I'll give you a different prize. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go check out my Discord down in the description. I have 2 members, me and someone else, and also subscribe, because if I get 1,000 subscribers, I will do a name reveal, and at
1,000.
If I get 5,000 subscribers, I will do a face reveal. At 5,000 subs. Can I grab you?
Do 1,000.
I said 5,000.
Do 1,000.
You don't even...
Oh, 5,000?